Hi, this short video will show you how to connect your Google account to ActiveChat so that you can send lead data from your lead generation chatbot straight to a spreadsheet in your Google account. I'm clicking my chatbot name and go to Settings, Integrations. Clicking the gear icon in the Google tile will open the Google settings window, and first it will be displaying this "it looks like your Google account is not connected" message. Click Connect to authorize with Google. Choose which account to use with ActiveChat and allow the access. Once you do this, you will see a list of Google Sheets in your connection settings. If you add more sheets, just click refresh to make it available in ActiveChat. And now you can go back to the conversation flow builder to make some changes to connect an actual sheet there. So I'm clicking Bot Builder, Skills, and go to this Start Skill again. To enable Google Sheets integration for this specific skill, we will change the value of this Google Sheets attribute from false to true. And this will be checked later in the conversation with this switch block. We're checking the value of Google Sheets. If it is not equal to true, we do nothing, since nothing is connected here. And if it is true, then we proceed to the GS update block. And here you can choose which spreadsheet to use to store your lead data and which worksheet to use. Don't forget to click Run once you do the changes. And now you can test the conversation again. Let's do this on Facebook this time. I'm restarting the bot. And when I do this, not only will I get an email in my mailbox with my lead information from the chatbot, but also the lead data will be available in my spreadsheet. For more details about this integration, please check the manual in the description below and enjoy your bot building with ActiveChat. I hope that helps, and stay tuned to other upcoming videos in this onboarding series. Thank you, take care.